Donaghadee today. We're just 12 miles from Scotland and you can glimpse the beautiful Copeland Islands in the background, and it really is hard to beat today at the Seaside, Liam.
And the one thing about being down beside the sea is it quite shabby appetite.
And yes, we're certainly enjoying these ice creams anyway, and I believe, Liam, there's plenty of terms in Ulster-Scots for somebody that's quite keen on their grub.
Well, you could describe somebody that was overly keen on their grub as a greedy gorb. And if
we're not that, of course.
No, I didn't say that now, Jane. I'm simply saying that you could use that description. But if you're eating at such a speed that you're barely getting chewing what you're eating, you're said to be culfin. Some people say that you would need a third hand to get the food up to your mouth as quick as possible.
We've all met these people that they're maybe eating something nice, eating a nice treat, and you've asked them for a bit of it. Is that an example? And then they stuff it into their beak really quickly. Is that an example of somebody culfin?
Yes. Somebody would say, I would give you some if I had on it, give you, but henny on it, give you at the minute. So, but you can also say that that person was a greedy gorb.
Anyway, we'll finish culfin these ice creams and we'll see you next time.